Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and thanks for watching all my video updates. I really appreciate your support to my channel. If you are finding all my video updates useful and if you are learning from my video analysis, please press that like button. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. So in this video today we are going to be analyzing British pound US dollar weekly technical analysis. So first I'll do the analysis in monthly time frame to actually understand the overall price action of this currency pair. Then we'll go down to the daily time frame analysis, then to the hourly time frame analysis where we can mark the ranges for trading on coming Monday. In monthly time frame, previously the price action was in downtrend, and as explained earlier also, it has actually given a breakout at this point. Even after the breakout, it has gone up to 1.41812 and it has found resistance over here. When you look at the previous price actions, it was the same resistance earlier also. This was acting as a support earlier. Now it is acting as a resistance. Presently, the price action is in a downtrend retracement, and I marked the support areas also here. This was resistance earlier. Presently, this is acting as a support line. And overall, when we look at the price action, as explained earlier also, it is trading within a range. So within this range, it is going on a bullish trend and it is coming on a bearish trend. So it is a range bound market when we look at it from the monthly time frame, and I have marked the support and resistance zones also. So next time I am expecting the currency pair to break this support area, then to test this support level over here. We have a dynamic support line also. So if it comes to this level, I am expecting it to take support over here and start its uptrend. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I am in daily time frame now. We have the resistance level from monthly time frame running over here and support level from monthly time frame also running over here, and also the bottommost support level from monthly time frame, and we have the diagonal support or resistance level from monthly time frame also running over here. And inside daily time frame, the current price action is moving in a channel pattern. You can see resistance level and support level over here, and I have also marked the central resistance or support level. Based on the price action, it will change into resistance and support. So currently the price action has taken support on the monthly support level and it is on a retracement now. I am expecting it to test this central line over here, which is around 1.34942, and if the bullish strength is still stronger, we can expect it to test this topmost resistance, which is around 1.36890. Then again trend back and test this bottommost support level, and next time when it is testing, I am expecting it to break this level of support and then test the bottommost support level over here. You can also notice that every time it retraces, it breaks little lower than the previous low. So I'm expecting it to retrace little, then again break this support level and test this bottommost support level. So as long as the price action is moving within the channel pattern, I am expecting the downtrend to continue and break all this support and resistance area and test this bottommost support level, dynamic support level from the monthly time frame. So in daily time frame also, the currency pairs are moving in a downside channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also, you can clearly notice that the price action is moving in a channel pattern. You can see that it has tested this topmost resistance of the hourly time frame channel pattern, and it has tested this support level also, and from the resistance level it has come down and it has tested this bottommost support of the monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame support, so it will be harder to break. And presently the price action is actually moving back or retracing, gathering enough momentum to come back and break this support level. If it cannot break this support level on the retracement also, we can expect it to retrace back again furthermore and then come back, reattempt to break this support level. But as long as the price action is moving within this channel pattern of daily time frame, we can expect the downtrend to continue. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. The topmost resistance is going to be here. Next level of resistance is going to be here. And next resistance is going to be here. And this is going to be the next resistance. And presently it is testing this level of resistance. And support is going to be at this point, which is also from the monthly time frame. If it breaches this support level, we can expect it to still fall further and test this bottommost channel patterns support level from daily time frame, which is around 1.32846. So these are all the ranges for trading on Monday, and wait for it to test the central line of the channel pattern from daily time frame. We can expect the retracement to happen once it tests this level over here, or it can also test this resistance line over here from the hourly time frame and take a trend reversal and retest on the support line from the monthly time frame. Overall the trend is on the downside and it is retracing all the time, go further on the downside. Let us see how price action goes on Monday, based on which I will update you with a new video on Tuesday. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.